Hey, TEAMBViR, we just got the new Lightning Overdrive box at our locals. And we
Yep.
about to open it, see
About to
what we
open
get,
it.
man.
About to check this shit out. Look, it's still sealed.
Brand new.
Yep.
Sneak peek, baby. Sneak peek.
Over here trying to pull that dark honest.
At least 5.
Yeah. At least 5.
Let's do this.
You gonna get half? I'll get half.
Nah, just go for it. I got you. Whatever you put his mind in.
We're gonna start left. So like this. I'll do 5 and then you can do the other 5.
Oh, man. Okay.
We'll just probably
5x5?
Yeah, we'll probably just be putting the hollows on the side.
Yeah.
The foils.
The foil.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
Amazement Park.
Oh, you got the main part that's it. What is it, a secret or super?
Super.
Nice. That's for Javier.
I'm trying to do it.
He gonna make the amazement day. Or Manny trying to do amazement? Yeah.
I'm gonna try to do it quick so, you know, people be like, man, they got 20,
you got
20
it or
minute
not?
videos.
We don't do that fake shit like
like
other teams. We were on the real deal. Holyfield, open it, put it on YouTube to shit.
Like right away.
Hell yeah, nah. Edit, cut, shot, block.
We're gonna wait to get to the house, but we're just opening it.
Might as well. We can post something good. We set it and buy something else. Shit. Ooh, the Rudy Rose.
There you go, 0.
Damn, bro. You getting all the good ones, man. What was the other one? Oh, except for I don't know about all rocks. We still gotta see on those.
You think Frank's got a sneak peek?
Hell, nigga, they invented the yugioh cards, bro. Oh, scrap rat. I started scrap rat. The scrap
Ignited?
No, the scrap. The common. That shit. Yeah, that one. The scrap raptor. Yeah, short print.
Is the tuna? Wow.
Yeah, that shit's hot, bro.
That's crazy.
That's the one people want to get. I thought it was gonna be at least an ultra.
Well, at least people could get on common. It'll be all these. Oh, what is that? Oh, the new jet.
Isn't that the cover card?
Yeah, he's an ultra. I got an ultra.
Y'all want it? Ultimate Dragonic Utopia right here.
Y'all want it? Let us know. We got
for real, you want it? I got it. Dripping like butter.
Are you want to open 5? I'll hold the phone for you.
Alright, for sure. Let me smell him.
Sorry.
Hit that. Zero, where you at, bro? We got Batman on the road.
We're waiting for our teammates. They're probably still sleeping over there or something. Yeah.
I got that Sun Avalon, baby D. Sun Babylon.
Son of Avalon.
Sun Babylon.
I sabe.
Anybody want that? 5 bucks. Oh,
what you get? My bad, I'm over here. I ain't even focused
on Lena the Luna driver.
Oh, that's pretty sick.
Hell yeah, let me turn it on. Oh shit, pretty sick when you drop it. I dropped it.
Right here.
We should start carrying around fucking sleeves. I'm just gonna show the hollow. Oh, I want that card, bro. They're gonna come out of this pack? Yeah. I thought it was gonna come out in another pack. Hell, yeah, B. And they barely added it to the fucking Wikipedia and it already came out.
What is that? Still no secret?
Damn, this shit looks breeze, bro.
Branded it in white.
That looks like motherfucking Alistair the Invoker.
Alistair the Invokes.
Oh, shit.
Another ultra?
Yeah. Trap Chicks.
What is it?
Trap Chicks. Cularia de Maria.
Culería. Culero.
Go ahead, bro.
Right. I'm gonna get him from the right side now, and then you get him from the left side.
Oh, sure.
Oh, it's more than 5, bro. It's like 7. Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it.
I can open the last one. You left the secret right there. Okay, see. Are you that bitch? Get that secret.
Another ultra? Trap tricks?
Then we're making a trap trick. A trap trick in the garden deck.
Hopefully
they broken.
They give us a secret because we're getting a lot of ultras. I don't know how many. I don't know. Back then in Yu-Gi-Oh, you were gonna get like 2 ultras.
I don't even understand what the hell's going on with these kind of.
I know these bugs be on crack.
Who's that?
Garden Rose Flora.
There you go.
I don't want a dark one.
Bro, we're putting different hollows.
That's true. Well, I mean, they only come different hollows, no?
Nah, they could have to get the same one.
You get reprinted in the same box?
Yeah, you get the same fucking ultra, same super.
That's my stuff.
Hell yeah. How you think people be building decks and shit? They have to buy like a box for everything. Well, I don't know how they do it, not to be an auto scrap rep too.
Oh, Tri Brigade.
Oh, shit, bro.
Yeah. Hopefully we get
if it's the one I think it is the money one, bro.
Yeah.
But there's only one Tri Brigade.
I forgot we still got foils, huh? The Starlight foil?
Hell yeah.
Oh, hopefully we get some.
The Starlight foil.
I'm forgetting about those, bros, and I don't be seeing
them. Starlight foil, auto scrap rep, they me day.
I don't be seeing them like that.
Oh,
Drytron.
that was $60, bro.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. That's the most expensive secret you can get.
Not even. I'm about to sell that
My
shit.
boy, I'm telling you. There you go, Chololo. I mean, Javier.
You want to buy it? Hot.
Fucking $5 million for you.
He said 60, but I'll give you $50.
No. He a team member, bro. We got to give it to him for at least $70, bro.
Look at new iceberg.
What the fuck? Iceberg is weak. Ain't Manny gonna make that?
Dogmatica Lemony.
Dogmaticism.
S-Force. Edge Razor.
Damn, we getting a lot of. At least we getting a different one, bro.
Huh.
How many packs was that?
So far 15. And then you're gonna
my final?
open 5? Yeah.
I'm gonna get the bottom 3 and the bottom 2.
So hopefully we get 2 secrets and foil. I just want.
We gotta get one
make
secret
my
at
money.
least.
Something.
Come on, Starlight. We love ya. On the popper. I'll pick it up right now. Ooh, Amazement Family Faces. What the fuck is that? There you go, if y'all want that. You want that, Brian? What, that toy box?
Yeah, man.
Foil.
It's early. It's like, I don't even know how early it is.
Ooh, what's this?
Woke up early for the box. ZS, I don't know. Oh, there's a new deck coming out revolving around those.
Isn't it the XYZZZZ deck?
Nah, it's for the XCs, I think.
But there was a polio frog. Polio link. Bujin Torfino. Ahí está. Serrafino, ahí está.
I got my lucky socks on today, so
I'm opening from the back first.
hopefully.
Yeah. Oh, what the hell is this big ass fish?
I don't know, but it look cool.
Hell yeah, that's like a big ass whale tron.
Pendrin section.
Damn, these fucking star foils start like
Is
the
it
fade, bro. Cyberse, but yeah, but you need 2 effect monsters to make them. You don't need a Cyber. Oh, I got one.
Oh, you scared me, bro. I thought you were honest.
Bro, that was one of the cards I want from this pack.
Ida, the Sun Magician?
Yeah, broken for the Shadow.
I need a...
Yeah, she a light. Oh, she a early.
You want to say 2 and 2 or you want to take into Bichito?
Nah, just do it.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah.
I will do 2 and 2.
For sure. The Bichito, we could get them later. If we saw that dry time, it'd be
well,
$60.
At least now we know like where to get the...
You made your money back for sure. I'll tell you that much.
I'm gonna go sell that dry tron over there. And Pelele.
Pechelele.
Brian's
Pinche Lele. What is that?
Stay Sailor.
Stay Sailor Moon? One by one for 0. You need that 1 by 1?
1 by 1.
Yo, too bad. Clean reptile. No, we ain't sending the center card until it's worth like $1 million.
Oh, God.
Alright, for sure.
Come on.
Got that scrap right there. Oh, Moco low. Moco low.
No honest, I guess.
Moco low. He got the amazement ticket.
I'm about to cry. No honest.
That's broken, dog. What the fuck? No Starlight right there. No Starlight right.
Last 2 packs. We did pull 2 secrets and like 3 ultras.
Give me that motherfucker.
I'm thinking so far they're not guaranteed.
What is that? Springen's Merrymaker. Sounds like Chuck Wild.
I don't know if the 2 secrets are guaranteed, but for sure you could most likely pull them.
Come on.
They look like the prank kids. Look.
$3-4. $3-4.
See the little face on the Rockets.
3-4. Oh, Laval extra. Damn, we got all of them, bro.
What'd you get? Laval.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Tune in. We'll probably get another box pretty soon. Open another box if we can. Get our hands on one. I guess we got lucky. Our local loves us.
You wake up early and you get the what is it? Early bird gets the win. And the center card. That's a pretty good haul, bro.
El que madruga, Dios lo ayuda.
Con la cruda. Damn.
Con la cruda. Con la cruda. All right, guys. Peace out.